It's Thursday, November 9th. I'm buying some SPY 440 puts here at 302. This is on the 1 minute chart. I'm kind of anticipating with a minute to go that this 15-minute chart's going to close, near red and follow through lower. Watch the 1 minute chart come down, a little bit of a retracement, then it turn red. I bought the puts here. So we'll see if that 15-minute chart, which is just closed red and then follows lower to confirm the signal to the downside. I'm looking for that 2-up failure. We reached our purple line target I talked about and immediately started lower here. If we can kind of get below that first bar low and get to the halfway point of this bar, that could set the stage for finally the higher highs and the broadening action towards the lower lows, towards these 1, 2, 3 targets down here. So, that's what I'm really seeing. And first of all, we have the pre-market lows down here at the blue line is a first target. That'll trigger the midpoint of that bar. That'll trigger ultimately the higher highs in here and potentially the lower lows as we then kind of work to fill in these gaps. So we'll see if we can get some kind of directional move to the downside. I see it kind of starting to develop here. If this whole thing fails and just takes out this little stop here, this little pivot and the yesterday's close at the yellow line, and then comes all the way back up green through the midway point of that first bar, that'll be the stop. But hopefully it'll follow through lower here on bar 2, confirm our morning signal, and then get moves towards our targets here. And again, in the bigger picture, we're looking for that failure after reaching a key target here on the weekly chart. That green bar after 4 days up, it's not really following through all that strongly from the green bar. Finally reached our target, and then it's starting lower right out of the gates here. So we'll see if we get that follow through lower here. That's kind of what I'm anticipating, and could be a good trade to the sell side here this morning.